It's the i10 test drive. Hurry, test the best. The next gen Hyundai i10 and get amazing offers plus an assured Hyundai cricket ball. Test the best today.
इस बजट में साबित हुई सबसे बड़ी बात, CNBC आवाज है नंबर 1। बजट के दिन सभी बिजनेस चैनल से आगे।
I propose to reduce the current surcharge.
बजट भाषण के दौरान बाकी हिंदी न्यूज चैनल भी आगे। पहला चैनल जिसने की बजट के बाद वित्त मंत्री से बात।
Nobody can stop India of moving ahead.
CNBC आवाज बजट के दिन रहा सबसे ज्यादा दर्शकों की पसंद। देश का नंबर 1 बिजनेस चैनल।
आपके टाइम पर तो लिमिटेड प्रोडक्ट थे, लिमिटेड इंस्ट्रूमेंट थे, इन्वेस्ट करना बड़ा सिंपल था। अब चीजें बड़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स हो गई हैं और हम देख रहे हैं कि जो डेरिवेटिव सेगमेंट है वो ज्यादा डोमिनेट करता है और उसमें हमेशा ये खतरा रहता है कि इन्वेस्टर अपना हाथ जला ले। आप अब इसको कैसे देखते हैं?
Well, I would say it that way, as George Soros has put, that mutual fund. Today the mutual fund industry is around $70 trillion world over. They only chase momentum and no value. What it is now and what is their performance is what they want to decide. They don't want to see values, and as I have said also, in the new age the values are also disappearing because the cycles are getting fractured. And now the new cycle that is getting fractured is the advent of this type of the global economy that is getting fractured.
बिल्कुल। आपका ये जो ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी है उसको लेकर के चूंकि अब इंडिया बिल्कुल इससे डायरेक्टली इम्पैक्टेड है, क्या सबसे बड़ा कंसर्न है कि इस पूरे ग्रोथ की जो कहानी हम जिसकी बात करते हैं उसमें सबसे बड़ा खतरा क्या आ सकता है?
Let's look at what can affect the global economy, because we are linked totally to the global economy. We are not in any way immune. So you take the instance of US today, which has constitutional liability of $240 trillion by 2040, mainly in social securities and healthcare. The deficits are growing. These are financed by their current account deficit and by what they call QE1, QE2 and whatnot, by easing and printing to attain their the US aims. Now same thing is happening here. We are financing our consumption based growth today. What we talk about 9% growth is entirely based on current account flows coming in and the current account deficit, that is more imports, current account deficit financed by this capital flows of $4 trillion a day, because they are greedy. They want immediate returns, and for that point they are there. And then like USA, our fiscal deficit is growing. So what happens at a time when US is which is a reserve currency cannot re-roll its debt. The whole global economy is today predominantly invested with the reserve currency, that is US dollar. Now that is the biggest risk, that it gets fractured and the whole system, falls.
अभी क्या इम्प्रेशन है कि जो फाइनेंशियल क्राइसिस पिछली आई उसको सरकारों ने बहुत सारे पैसे प्रिंट किए, सोवरेन तरीके से क्राइसिस को संभालने की कोशिश की, रेस्क्यू के लिए पैसे डाल दिए, तो अब लेकिन रिलीफ है। अब कह रहे हैं कि ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी वापस पटरी पे आ रही है, चीजें ठीक हो रही हैं, और आप जो कह रहे हैं उससे ये लगता है कि ये जो पूरी प्रिंटेड मनी है ये क्राइसिस को सिर्फ सस्पेंड किया गया है। तो अभी हम रिलीफ मोड में रहें या बड़ी क्राइसिस आने वाली है?
Well, as I said, as I have been seeing, the question is twofold. There is a huge asset liability mismatch that is taking place. The real assets are provided by the Mother Earth. This is something which we have inherited. And you know, the mismatch is, you know, the printed money, printed fiat money which finances the global capital flows. They are the liabilities. This asset liability mismatch is growing at a very rapid pace. So as I see it, you know, that the bigger crisis may come about, you know, perhaps in a shorter or even within my lifetime. It's quite possible.
जी, मैंने आपका कोई 2005 के आसपास का एक इंटरव्यू पढ़ा था, तो उसको पढ़ करके मुझे लगा कि आप ये 2008 वाली क्राइसिस प्रिडिक्ट कर रहे थे। तो अब चूंकि ग्लोबल अनसर्टेनिटी इतनी ज्यादा है और हम इस अपनी ग्रोथ स्टोरी को, भारत की ग्रोथ स्टोरी को लेकर के बड़े कॉन्फिडेंट हैं और बुलिश हैं, हम अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट कर सकें, थोड़ा इंसुलेट कर सकें, इसके लिए हमारे हाथ में क्या क्या है, हम अपने लेवल पर, पॉलिसी के लेवल पर और बिजनेस के कंडक्ट के लेवल पर क्या कर सकते हैं?
The first thing, you know, I think, you know, today the entire national charge world over is with politicians, bureaucrats, economists and elites. What happens is, you know, they are more concerned about their short-term benefits. They want to ignore what is coming. Maybe maybe they know it what may come about, but they want to they want to keep it aside. So, you know, the first duty of these who are in charge of the economy is to really inform the people what is coming. Mm-hmm. And, you know, some steps to be taken, you know, to get into kind of a social equality which is needed if we want to avoid, you know, what you call the revolutions which we are now seeing.